Hi, I'm Abby, and I'm a senior here at Grand Canyon University. I'm majoring in special education, and today we are here in the Carden Center. The Carden Center is the home of L.O.P.E.S Academy. L.O.P.E.S Academy is a two-year program for individuals with special needs. This program teaches them how to learn about life skills. This could be like building a resume or even just how to be in a workplace. My role in L.O.P.E.S Academy is I'm a peer mentor. Not only as a peer mentor, there is a scholarship opportunity, but I get hands-on experience for my major that I'm extremely passionate about. As a peer mentor, you are partnered up with a student that has special needs and you help them grow. Last year, I had the opportunity of seeing my mentee walk down the stage at their own graduation. Super cool. L.O.P.E.S Academy has changed my heart. It has shown me how to slow down, be more patient, and truly appreciate all the little moments. If you're interested in something like this, I definitely recommend you come and check out L.O.P.E.S Academy and check out GCU.